Namaskara, welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning reflections of functions. My first question is, find g of x where g of x is the reflection across the x-axis of f of x, where f of x is given as 8x plus 1. What is given here? F of x is given as 8x plus 1. So you have to find g of x here, where g of x is the reflection across the x-axis. When g of x is reflection across x-axis, when it is across x-axis, you have to take g of x as, here g of x is the reflection across x-axis of f of x 8x plus 1. So reflection g of x is taken as negative f of x. This is when g of x is across x-axis. Now you can find g of x. Reflection g of x is equal to negative f of x, which is negative 8x plus 1, which is nothing but negative 8x negative 1. So g of x is negative 8x negative 1. Let's go to second question. Question number 2. Find g of x where g of x is the reflection across the x-axis of f of x is equal to negative 5x minus 6 whole square plus 1. Here again, reflection is across the x-axis. So when it is across the x-axis, reflection g of x is negative f of x. Negative, here f of x is, what is f of x? Negative 5x minus 6 whole square plus 1. Which is nothing but negative will become positive. 6x minus 6 whole square, negative, positive is negative. 5x minus 6 whole square, negative 1 is the reflection across x-axis. Let's move to question number 3. Question number 3. Here you have to find g of x. Again, g of x is the reflection across the x-axis of the function f of x is equal to 9 times absolute value of x plus 3 minus 4. This is again x across x-axis, so g of x is taken as negative f of x. Negative 9 times absolute value of x plus 3 negative 4. So this is negative, here positive, so negative positive is negative. Negative 9 absolute value of x plus 3 negative and negative will become positive. So negative 9x plus 3 plus 4. So here you have to find wherever positive is there, you have to put negative sign, and wherever negative sign is there, this will become positive. Now let's find g of x where g of x is the reflection across y-axis. Then we are going to find reflection across y-axis. Question, find g of x where g of x is the reflection across the y-axis of f of x is equal to 2x plus 2. Here again, reflection is across y-axis, so you have to take g of x as f of negative x. So that means our f of x is 2x plus 2. Wherever x is there, you have to put negative x. That means 2 times negative x plus 2. 2 times negative x is nothing but negative 2x plus 2. So reflection is negative 2x plus 2. You can try this question. Here reflection is given across the y-axis of f of x is equal to negative 4x plus 7. Find g of x, where g of x is the reflection across y-axis. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.